In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to AI Assistant in PayPal. If you need help with your PayPal account and want a quick way to ask a question, the AI Assistant can be a convenient place to start. It can help you find support information, answer common questions, and guide you toward the next step. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open the chat and send your question. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your PayPal account and on the main account summary page. Once you're there, look through the page and start scrolling down. Keep going until you find the Contact Us section. This area is usually placed lower on the page, so if you don't see it right away, just continue scrolling slowly until it appears. When you see Contact Us, click on it to open the support options. This will take you to PayPal's Help and Contact area where you can choose how you want to get assistance. If you're looking to chat with the AI assistant, this is where you'll move to the next step. On the Contact Us page, look for the Message Us option and click it. This opens the messaging feature, which is where you can begin interacting with the assistant. Depending on the page layout, it may appear as a button or a clearly labeled chat option. Just select it to continue. Once the chat or message box opens, type your concern or question into the text field. Try to be clear and specific so the assistant can give you the most helpful response. For example, instead of typing something very broad, you can briefly describe the issue you're having, such as a payment concern, account access question, or transaction issue. Clear wording usually leads to better results. Before sending your message, it's also a good idea to avoid sharing sensitive information in the chat unless PayPal specifically asks for it through a secure process. Keep your message focused on the issue itself so the conversation stays simple and effective. After you type your question, send the message and wait for the assistant to respond. From there, you can continue the conversation by replying with more details if needed. And that's it. That's how to talk to AI Assistant in PayPal. If you follow these steps, you should be able to quickly reach the messaging area and ask for help directly through the platform.